Hello and welcome back to Python 2020. So today we are going to cover session number 4 Python dictionary playlist. So here you can see which all topics we are going to cover in session 4. So converting Python dictionary to JSON and converting JSON to Python dictionary will be the first topic. And then second topic will be to sort a dictionary by key in Python, and then after that we will sort a dictionary by using values in Python. After that, we will see how to get first and keys from Python dictionary and last and keys from Python dictionary. And then we will use the index range of a Python dictionary to get the items. And then in the end, we will use values, and then we will get values for a index range from Python dictionary. So this is all we are going to cover. So today is the last session of Python dictionary. If you think that I have missed out anything, you can just comment. I will create another video on those all topics. So let's start today's agenda now. As we will be covering conversion from JSON to dictionary. So first of all, let me show you the JSON file. So you can see my JSON file is here, and I have two different JSON objects, science and commerce. So in science, I have two students. In commerce, I have two students. Okay. Now let's move to Jupyter Notebook. As first step, I have to first import JSON here, and then shift enter to run this cell. Now second step is that I have to read the JSON file which we have just seen. Okay. And then let's see what is the data. So you can notice here that all the data which we have just seen in the JSON file is available here with us. Okay, so now let's see that I want to print first row or the first data from the science object. So what I have to do is, this is my JSON object, and then this JSON file object, and then this is the record name which I want to get, and I want to get the first data. So you can see here. Okay, let's say if I want to get the first one from commerce, here you can see first one from commerce. Okay, so this is one. This is how we get the data from JSON, and then we can use the data further. So after that, the next topic is that how to convert a dictionary to JSON. Okay, as of now we have seen how to convert a JSON to dictionary. So here I am declaring a new dictionary. Alright, and shift enter to run the cell. And after that we will use JSON dump. So JSON dump will convert dictionary to JSON type of string. So, let's run this cell now. Shift enter. You can see the output is looking same, but this is a string now. This is not a dictionary type. So if you will just check the type of this JSON str, so you see it is string as of now. All right. Now from this string we can convert it into JSON. So let's see. Okay. So for that. So here I have written the lines also that what I am doing in my code. To parse a valid JSON string and converting it into a Python dictionary, we have to use JSON.loads, and then we have to argument. So now once we have converted this, and this is the new variable, now let's see what is the type of this variable. So you can see this is a dictionary now. So in above line we have converted a dictionary to JSON, and now we have converted it back to dictionary. So hope you can see the difference now. Is it, or we want to write a JSON file out of Python dictionary. So how do we do that? So here I am looping through all the items in the dictionary, and then I am writing that data into values variable, and then I am dumping that data into JSON. Enter for running this. So you can see the output from this loop to here. Now let's write this output into a file. So I will run this code now. Shift enter, and then let's check if file is created or not. So you can see the file is created here. Let me open this file. So this is the data which we have just written. So the JSON file, this is a different file which is created. So if you want to see the inside the folder, so so here we go. You can see JSON. This is just now created, and I can show you this into PyCharm also. All right. Now next is that how to sort a Python dictionary using string keys. So here is the code for that, for sorting a dictionary using string keys. I have created a blank dictionary first of all. Then I have taken all dictionary keys in a single variable, and then I am sorting that variable. This is basically a list type of variable. List. Okay. And then I am looping on that particular list one by one after sorting. And then we are using to update the new. So one by one we are adding values into new dictionary variable which we have created. So you can see all these values are here. Now let's print the result. So you can see the complete code of sorting a dictionary right now on your screen in cell number 13 and cell number 14. Now let's move to the next point. How to sort a dictionary using values. So I am using the dict keyword of Python, and then I am sorting the entire dictionary using lambda expression here. So let me run this code. So you can have a look here, and then I will show you when I had declared the dictionary. I have to go above. So this cell number 6 is the cell where we had declared a dictionary. Okay, now let's go down and see. So you have sorted by, you have here sorted by name, you have here sorted by value which is numerical. So now let's say if you want to get first two item of a dictionary, how will you do that? So here you can see the code right now on your screen. I'll just run it. So these are first two items. We can again go back and check cell number 6. And now how to get first two keys from Python dictionary. So to get first two keys from Python dictionary, you just have to replace this values to keys, and then you will have the result. So you can see Tom and Adam are the first two keys in that list which we have declared. So now if you want to print a range, so you can just use this similar to the list range, Matthew and Ram. So you just have a look on these three lines. Now I will show you the now now I will take you to cell number 6 where we had declared the dictionary. So you just have to mind all of these values. Here we go. So you can see the first two and last two and 2 to 4 also here. So I hope this session was useful for you. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos on Python programming, pandas, machine learning, and data science. Happy learnings.